kuisa kwa muri.
My heart, I lay it before you.
Moyo wangu uripa musoro pe hatari.
My heart is on the altar.
Sikai mandiri, moyo wakachena.
Create in me a clean heart.
Vandudza imweya wakarurama.
Renew a right spirit within me.
Usandirasire kure nechiso chenu.
Do not cast me from your presence.
Musabisa mweya wenyu mutsvene.
Do not take your Holy Spirit from me.
Moyo wangu ndewe nyumoga.
My heart belongs to you alone.
Moyo wangu imi muno ugona.
My heart, you understand it.
Kudai ndine chimwe ndaikupa izvose.
If I had more, I'd give you everything.
Asi moyo wangu ndiwo chipo changu.
But my heart is my gift.
Torerai moyo wangu Jesu.
Take my heart, Jesus.
Moyo wangu waipinduka pinduka.
My heart was wandering,
Asirudo rwenyu rwakandidzosera.
but your love brought me back.
Moyo wangu zvino wagadzikana.
My heart is now at peace.
Nemishe dawana zororo.
With you, Lord, I found rest.
Jideine moyo wangu wose.
Love me with all my heart.
Jideine mweya wangu wose.
Love me with all my soul.
Jideine simba rangu rose.
Love me with all my strength.
Nokuti imi makandida nakutanga.
Because you first loved me.
Moyo wangu ndewe nyumoga.
My heart belongs to you alone.
Moyo wangu imi muno ugona.
My heart, you understand it.
Torerai moyo wangu Jesu.
Take my heart, Jesus.
Ndiwoga wandinayo.
It's all I have.
Moyo wangu,
Moyo wangu,
moyo wangu.
my heart, my heart.
Moyo wangu ndewenyu nokusinga pe.